Get noticed in this 2010 Mazda CX-7. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.